Thank you for joining us today. In this session, we will discuss verifying domains and configuring for Exchange. The first step that you want to do is log into your Microsoft Online portal as your admin and select Domains under Management. Select Add a Domain, and in this case we have insecurityinc.info. Select Next, and since we're going to be using GoDaddy today, we will select this. It will provide the step-by-step directions. Sign into your account at GoDaddy, which I've already done. Go to the account area, Domains, DNS Manager, and add a record. In this case, I will need a TXT or text record with this information. We will go to Quick Add. It says the host name should be @ and the text value should be that information. We go down to Save Zone File and select OK. It says it can take about an hour, but it usually doesn't take that terribly long. At that point, we select Verify, and then we are given the option to select it for Exchange Online, Lync Online, or SharePoint. Now you can either do Lync and Exchange, or you can do SharePoint when you specify domain services. This can be later modified, but will be but can only be done for one or the other. You select Next, you select Configure DNS Records, and then you select Next again. This will now give you the different domain records that you need to put in, such as your MX record. So you go to MX, select Quick Add, priority 0, host will be @ because you want it for the insecurityinc.info domain. Next, you do auto discover, which is a CNAME. And the target of autodiscover.outlook.com. The next is your SPF record, which is Sender Policy Framework, which basically is an ACL for which servers can send as your domain. So in this case, we do that, and text is the @ record, or just means host. Next is for link, will be a SRV or server record, or service, sorry. Alright, so now that we have that service record, we then toss in the SIP redirection and link discover redirections under CNAMEs. Alright, now that we've got all of those, we save the zone file again. Gives a standard warning of it can take up to an hour. You select next. You select finish. And it now allows you to use the domain to create users. Now at this point, you go back to the administrative portal and select manage under Exchange. And you go to mail control and domains and protection. What this allows you to do is set the domain as either hosted or shared, which is synonymous with authoritative or external relay. Shared can also be internal relay as well. But you go to this, hosted means authoritative, and shared means external relay. External relay, or shared, will indicate that if the domain is not found in O365, it will search DNS. So at this point it's authoritative. We will just select save, and at this point you can create users with the new domain. And you can see that you have this domain to select from. Select save. You now have a new user with your brand new domain. Have a great day.